In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and and sign up to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this video. So for me here, I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should of course, or as you already did. So this will actually be your home or your main screen, and here you'll find several stuff to do. We will ignore all of that. Of course, if you want to deposit money, let me just tell you that if you deposit for the first time at least $100, of course you can deposit more, you will get some free stocks. So you can actually maybe deposit $100 to get some free stocks if you want. So all you need to do, just go here to this menu, and you will actually have the option here to deposit. I don't have it here because I'm not using the latest version, but all you need to do, just go and click at deposit. Follow the steps by linking your bank account to your Webull account. It's simple. They'll actually let you choose the bank that you are using, then link it, and you'll be actually good to start depositing. So you'll need then just to decide how much you want to transfer, and then click on transfer. Of course, review before what you did, then transfer, and this will just take some time before the deposit comes into your account. So if you deposit at least $100, if you want to find your free stocks, you'll just need to click on more, then click on my rewards here, then collect them. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.